0 minutes. Stop record button. 0 minutes 7 seconds.
What is up, Tech Nation? This is Tyler, and I'm here to help you. Today I'm going to be doing a braillenote touch video. Try to close that. Today I'm going to be doing a braillenote touch video all about something new I discovered about the braillenote touch. And if you judge it by the how do I phrase this nicely? If you look at the title basically tells you that you're not going to see much, but you're going to hear a lot. So that is what we're going to do today. I am going to show you how to OCR any PDF you will get on the braillenote touch. And I'm going to walk you through it right now.
Locked, 9:27, Wednesday, May 16th, 6:20 a.m. 9:27 p.m. Unlock button. Bottom.
Oh, crap. There we go.
Device unlocked. Choose video. Launch camera button. Main menu. Contacts. Playlist.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera down, and then I'm going to walk you through everything that I'm going to do, okay? So I'm going to put the camera down right by the speakers so y'all can hear it. Oh, shit. All right. Oh, wait. Hold on. Will it fit? Holy crap. It'll fit. I think. Hold on. Yeah, it works. All right, people. I'm not sure if you can see this or whatever. But I'm going to be sitting down here, and I'll try and look at the camera. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the main menu, which is where we are now, and we are going to open the file manager by hitting the letter F.
File manager. Key files.
Hit enter.
Key files. Alarms folder.
And we are going to go to our downloads folder.
Sim folder. Documents folder. Download folder.
And all I'm doing is hitting the letter D, and we're going to hit enter on it.
The home keysoft _ apps folder.
All right, so we're on our downloads folder, and now we're going to look for a PDF.
Canvas screenshot. Office of the Embud 2017 annual report. Copied into Word docs. Office of the Embud _ 2017 annual report .pdf.
Okay, this one will work. It is basically a technical office report, and we are going to actually convert it right now. So I've already set it up. So the first time you do this, you get to, once I hit enter on this, for the first time users, it's going to actually say, hey, what program do you want to use this? And I picked knfb Reader because that's the best program out there. So we're going to hit enter on this. And now, I told it always, so it's always going to do it no matter what. So that's pretty sweet, huh? So we're going to hit enter on this.
Android system.
Oh, actually, I do have to pick it. So let's go through it.
Complete action using. Not checked. Drive PDF. Checked. knfb Reader.
Okay, so it's already checked.
Bottom. Not checked. Word always button.
All right, so I'm going to hit the always. Since I did have to do it. That's cool. And now it's
alert
converting
important.
it. Said alert importing. So it is currently opening the file with the knfb Reader. So now we're going to wait. Big file.
knfb Reader.
All right.
knfb Reader. Settings. Edit. Office of the Embud _ 2017 annual report, May 16th, 2018, 9:30 p.m. Contains 8 pages.
All right, so there it is. So we're going to hit enter on it. And I'm in the knfb Reader app, so we're going to hit enter on this.
Recognize imported PDF button.
Recognize imported PDF button. So I'm going to hit enter on that. And now we wait.
1 done. 2 done. 3 done.
This is the largest.
4 done.
Jesus.
5 done. 6 done. Analyzing last page.
Now it's going to read it. Well, once it's done. This is the largest document that I've done, so it's going to take a while. That's why I don't usually try and OCR books. 400 pages? Are you out of... You're insane. I'll let desktop scanners handle those. That's not my department. You're out of your freaking mind if you expect me to do a 400-page book. I mean, let's be real here, people. Real talk. Wow, okay, so what the is it still doing it?
Page 1 of 8.
Oh, cool. So now I think I can hit the go command or G space with G and read. So I'm going to do that.
Page 1 of 8. Settings. View image. Add page to document. Redo OCR. Save document. No text found. 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 Previous page. Next page. Bottom.
Wow.
No text found. No text found. No next page button.
Looks like there's nothing there. Now let's just listen to see what happens. Oh, wait, still probably processing. Damn, this takes a while. Wow, this takes a while. 8 pages takes a freaking long time, but hey, at least it can be done. Jesus. Sometimes it won't, sometimes it might not work. It's not foolproof. It still is a computer. So let's hit the next page button and see what happens. It's not disabled, so I can do something. So let me see what happens. Oh, cool! It makes the little page turning sound. What's on this one?
Previous page button. Save document button. Redo OCR button. Save document. Our team award from the Budchuck Sloan / University Bud. The University of Washington is the only place I've morning routine equals chasing kiddos and Yeti, a cartoonish sheepdog, ever worked where people routinely show up on around his house. Evening routine equals chasing kiddo.
Ugh. To be quite honest, this document is terrible. But I am going to save it. It's pretty terrible because it's kind of probably blurry and just, yeah. But I am going to show you how to save. So I'm going to...
Save document button.
So I'm going to hit the save document and hit that.
Alert save file. Choose a file name. Office of the Bud _ 2017 annual report. Cancel. Submit. Cancel button. Submit button.
So that works. So let's save it. So I'm going to hit the submit button. Save.
Page 2 of 8. Save document button. Disabled.
All right. So that's done. Now let's see what I can do with it. So let's exit out of this.
knfb reader. Bottom. knfb reader. Settings. Edit. Office of the Bud _ 2017 annual report. May 16th, 2018, 9:36 p.m. Contains 8 pages. 9:36 p.m.
Okay, so that's fully... So I don't know what I think I can share it. So I'm going to hit the letter M with spacebar or the really cool square button on the front of my device. I think I'll go square today. what the hell can I do with
The
it?
Home Depot. Article Office of the Embed _ 2000 KNFB reader. Bottom.
What the fuck?
Bottom. Top.
I think it's... Well, that's just great. I think it froze. I think I spazzed it. But I think you get the idea. You get the idea. You understand what it does, what it doesn't do. So yeah, I think in the description below, I think if you still have questions, please see me. Please email me, Facebook me, tweet me, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap up my video because right now it's not really doing anything.
Bottom.
Peace out. What the fuck, dude?
Stop record button.